I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Mountain Meadow seed pod kit from Aerogarden. So this is a set of seed pods that you can put into your Aerogarden gardens. It contains 9 seed pods, so it will work with a fairly large Aerogarden. And like all of their seed pods, this is fertilized with Miracle Grow. And they're basically just little pods you insert into your Aerogarden garden, but it's going to grow a variety of flowers that are sort of like colorful, almost wildflowers that you'd expect to find in a high altitude meadow. So the actual breakdown of what's in here, these are the actual flowers, and I'm not sure I'm going to pronounce these properly, but Phyllox, Gazania, Coreopsis, and Dianthus. And you can see the relative proportion. I'm not sure if that means the size you're going to get here necessarily, because these are different size flowers, but really it's basically kind of an explosion of different yellow and some striped flowers, and I think it's going to work really nicely and be something that's very effective in terms of having just some nice flowers you can grow all throughout the year. The other thing you can see here is it's listing what is in the plant food you would be using to feed these. It's going to come with some plant food, and these grow sponges have the food in there. And then the other thing I would mention here is that there is a guarantee about germination. So you can see this germination guarantee as long as it's sold by the date listed here. They guarantee that your pods will germinate. And this is the minimum guaranteed germination, but they're going to put enough of the seeds in there that you can definitely get germination from each of these types of flowers. And they actually will replace your pods if they do not germinate, so you can always know that you're going to get something that will actually grow. So that is the Aerogarden seed pod kit. You can see exactly how these go into your Aerogarden. Yeah, guaranteed to germinate. Mountain Meadow, really just beautiful pop of color, and I think it'll be great to grow those flowers.